Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Beth. I make videos on lifestyle, nursing, a little bit of everything. I have a huge passion for home decor. I'm recently getting into a more minimalist and sustainable lifestyle. I definitely believe in Hygge and the cozy art of happiness. If it seems interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you guys join me on this journey. But enough of that, let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you guys some before pictures of our office. We just finally got it how we wanted it. We've been here for about 2 years, actually. A little over, like 2 years and a couple months. So, this is the one wall, which was like our first styling of the room. As soon as we moved in, we got the desk, which is from Wayfair, chairs from Wayfair. And then we got these map 3 panel pieces from Kirkland's. We absolutely adore them. We kind of wanted to go for a kind of industrial, modern, kind of funky vibe in here compared to the rest of the house. Yeah, so we just decided to go for it. This, like I said, this was always there. I had the rug. I originally had it this way because this was all empty. We always had this there as well, and the lamp. And then we got the next part that we got was the litter box holder, which I believe was also from Wayfair. And the printer we put on top of that. That was kind of like the OG section of the room. Updates that we got most recently, oh, and the curtains, we got them from Home Goods, I believe. They've always been there. So it was just kind of like this wall minus that decor. The key actually was there. Sorry for the lighting. The black piece we had from our apartment, which is from Home Goods. And then the lamp was from Target, and it's got that glass style of the bubbling, which we have in our kitchen as well. And then we got this little clock, I believe. I'm not 100%, but I want to say either Target or Christmas tree shop on this one. And I'm gonna keep our Roomba here. So that's kind of like the true OG. Now in the last month, we got the shelving, which was the first project we did. The shelves are from Amazon. The actual, well, I shouldn't say that. The piping is from Amazon. And we wanted to go for the like industrial vibe in here. Like I said earlier, we just kind of wanted this to have a more funky type of feel. So these pipes, like I said, are from Amazon. It comes in a kit. They're different sizes and how big you want it. So it just comes with the pipes, and then you can space it however far apart you would like. So you can make really long shelves or you can make shorter shelves. We originally bought these for our basement for the bar area because we wanted to hang like, or not hang, but display beer bottles, glasses, alcohol, things like that. But they come out pretty deep. And the way the bar is down there, it would have like, you would hit your head on it. It just wasn't gonna work down there, but we were like, you know what, we're gonna save these and we're gonna use them for the office because that's kind of the vibe we wanted. So we did that, and then you can get, it doesn't come with the wood. So we bought these from Home Depot. They cut them for us, and you would just measure however far you want them to hang over. They do recommend a certain thickness on the instructions when you get the pipes. We did a little bit thicker than what it recommended, I believe, but we wanted to go for a more chunky look, and they honestly didn't have that type of wood at Home Depot, and we were just trying to get the shelves. So we bought these. Home Depot will cut them for you. And then we got stain and just stained it with an old t-shirt. Took like a couple hours, wasn't long at all. And then when you pop those bad boys on, they're probably my favorite thing in the room. And then I kind of just went for this gold type of brassy look in the room as well. This is from Lowe's, which is a real succulent. Target, Dollar Spot. Frames are from Target, Dollar Spot. It's a New Orleans decor piece. I got this as New Orleans as well. It's from one of the, oh my gosh, voodoo shops down there. I forget what it, I think it means luck and prosperity or something. This is a pinch pot I made when I was younger. Obviously my college diploma. This is an air plant from Lowe's as well. Fake succulent from Home Goods, and some pretty books that I enjoy reading as well. This was from Target, Dollar Spot, I believe. Got some Hearth and Hand candles, obviously from Target. And some photos of my family, and my little pig from my grandma. And then I got a letter from the president. Well, not current president, but George W. Bush, so I displayed that. Gotta show us our patriotism. And then the rest of the room, we just kind of put together in the last couple days. So the shelves have been up for about a month or so, and they're totally vibing in here. I love it. So we just got this chair, and I was not really sure what I wanted. I kept saying I wanted a big white chair to make the space feel more light and airy. I was going to actually paint the room white because I wanted to be like this white room, clean, crisp, with hints of the green from the plant life. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna own the like industrial vibes. I don't know if that's not the right word, industrial, but you know what I'm saying. It's a total vibe in here. So I was like, you know what, I'm not ever gonna be able to get a navy couch or anything in the living room or our basement or anything like that, because it's not our style of the house, and I don't think it would necessarily flow well for like a main room. But this room has like its own personality, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. And it kind of matches my work bag actually. But I got this navy mid-century modern type of wing, if you want to call it a wing arm chair. It's really cute. I got it from Wayfair. And then I got this pillow from Target. It's like a faux leather front in a type of camel, I guess, color. And then it's got a beige backing. It's a little rougher on this side. And then this has the, whatchamacallit, what's that stuff called? Tufted look. I think it's called tufted. And you can lie on it long ways, which is really nice. And just flip the pillow around. I eventually do want to get a poof right here. We got something, but it was actually taller than the chair, so it just didn't look right. Because the Wayfair furniture is a little bit smaller, but again, we have a smaller house. It's easier for us to get furniture in this way, so it works for us. But eventually I'm going to put a poof right here, and just haven't decided which one I want exactly. This little table we moved up here from the basement. We had that from our apartment in the living room, and that's just kind of, it actually is supposed to go over your couch. So it's like a TV tray, but like a fancier one, I guess you would call it. That was from Christmas tree shop a few years back. And I got my bonsai tree on there from Home Depot. Oh wait, no, Lowe's, excuse me. And then this is from Target, this pineapple planter. It comes with a plastic circle planter in between, so you don't, obviously this doesn't get wet. I got that from Target a couple days ago. And then we put our fern in here, and it kind of looks really cool. I was originally going to hang my fern up there, but I was like, you know what, it might get bigger and fall, and I'm gonna be really scared. So I decided to just hang the spiders on the macrame planter holder that I got from Amazon. And then my fern's in here, and it kind of looks like the top of the pineapple the green part, so it's a vibe. I wanted to get some organization and stuff. So the kitchen table clutter goes for something you need to go back to, but you don't want to really put it fully away because you know you're going to need it again. So it's organized. So I got that, and then I just got these cork boards for overflow of like save the dates or any important information we have to pin. I didn't put anything up yet. Our fridge is like overflowing on the side because it's not magnetic on the front, so we just have like a really skinny portion, like really small, to put stuff on. I do have some really cute tacks from Target that have like plant life on them, so I want to take them home from work. And I want to put some things on here, just like I said, like important things I need to pin, coupons, stuff like that. And then this key was always there from the OG Decor, like I was saying earlier. And I think that's everything. The rug is from Wayfair, and like I said, we had this from when we moved. We got this when we moved in, but I'm really loving it. It's just such a vibe in here. I wish it wasn't raining and crappy weather, or we could have our deck furniture uncovered and it won't look so ugly through the windows, but it is what it is. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see me do styling videos, I'm really feeling it. I tackle things one room at a time and just kind of figure out what I want to do. I'm going to show you guys the bathroom as well shortly. If you guys have any questions on where everything is from or the direct links, I don't want to post them on here just because there's a whole fiasco going on right now with Wayfair. So I don't necessarily want to like promote them and have you guys go shopping on them. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but that's a whole different story. I probably won't be shopping there anymore because if this whole fiasco is true, it's not very good. But if you guys want to see more videos on like styling, things like that, comment below. I love home decor. I love styling things. Like I was saying earlier, I just take one room at a time. I think the house should kind of blend where it's an open area, but this room has a door. It's technically a bedroom. So I just wanted to give it its own personality and go for it, because every other room in the house is kind of like white, like neutrals, and like our accent color is teal, but it's just very plain Jane. So I figured, why not go for it? I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and you enjoy the rest of your summers. Comment below what types of videos you guys want to see, and I'll be doing my best to get them out to you guys. Thanks for watching.